Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a surprising problem. How can a solar panel actually drain your battery? It sounds backwards, right? Solar panels are supposed to charge batteries, not empty them. But it can happen. Let's break down the main reasons why your solar setup might be working against you. First, the most common culprit is something called night discharge or reverse current. Think about it. During the day, the solar panel makes electricity. It sends the power to your battery. But what happens at night? There's no sun. The panel isn't making power anymore. In fact, it can act like a small load itself. Electricity can flow backwards from your battery, through the panel, and essentially get wasted. This slowly drains your battery overnight. To prevent this, a special component called a blocking diode is used. Most modern charge controllers have this built in. If you have a very basic setup without a charge controller, or if the diode in your controller fails, this reverse flow will happen. Another big reason is a faulty or poorly configured charge controller. The charge controller is the brain of your solar system. It protects your battery from overcharging during the day. It also prevents that night discharge we just talked about. If your charge controller is broken, it might not be properly disconnecting the panel when it's dark. Or, its internal blocking diode might have failed. Sometimes, cheap controllers might not even have effective night discharge protection. Always use a good quality charge controller that matches your system. Check its settings too. Make sure it's set up correctly for your battery type and voltage. Then there are parasitic loads. These are devices that draw small amounts of power constantly, even when you think they're off. Examples include inverters left on, monitoring displays, or even some small electrical leaks in your wiring. While the solar panel might be charging the battery during the day, these constant, small drains can slowly empty the battery over time, especially if the panel isn't generating enough power to compensate. It's like having a tiny leak in a bucket that's being filled. The bucket still gets emptier. Finally, your solar panel might simply be undersized for your needs. If your daily power consumption is higher than what your solar panel can produce, your battery will slowly drain over time. The panel charges the battery during sunlight hours. But if your appliances and devices use more power than the panel generates over a 24-hour cycle, the battery will constantly be losing more than it gains. It's a net loss. This isn't the panel draining the battery directly, but it's failing to keep it charged, leading to the same result. Always size your solar array and battery bank correctly for your average daily power usage. So, what should you do? Check your wiring for any obvious faults. Test your charge controller. Make sure it's working correctly and has night discharge protection. Measure the current flow to see if power is indeed going backwards at night. And always ensure your system is properly sized for your energy demands. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand why a solar panel might be draining your battery. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and explanations about electronics and solar power. We'll see you next time.